Hello and welcome to section 9.1, which is on translations. Transformation, a change in the position, shape, or size of a figure. This should be pretty much all review from what we covered in junior high. Pre-image is the original figure. The image is the figure after the transformation. Rigid motion is a transformation that preserves distance and angle measurements. Translation, which is what we're going to be doing in this section. There are many different types of transformations. A transformation that maps all points of a figure in the same direction, so it is also called a slide. For example, graph triangle ABC, which I have already done at those points, and then we want to graph also its image after the translation of 1, -4. The 1 is what happens to the x value, and the -4 is what happens to the y. So when you look at these, it's x, y, change in x, change in y, basically. Okay, so every x value is going to go 1 to the right. I know it's to the right because it's positive, and 4 down because it's a negative. So I'm going to take this point, and I'm going to go 1 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And then I'm going to take this one and go 1 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And this one, 1 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And so there would be my image after the given translation. So there it is. It should be the exact same size and shape and everything. It's just sliding, however far this one says to do. And if you're not sure how I just did that like that, I mean, there is another way to do it, but I actually think it's probably more involved. But so each x value would have to go +1, +1, +1, and the y's would have to go -4, -4, -4. So a -2 + 1 would be -1. 2 - 4 would be -2. So this should be the new point then. Did I put a point at -1, -2? I sure did. It's right there. 1 + 1 would be 2. 1 - 4 would be -3. Did I put a point at 2, -3? This point right here. This one would be 1, -5. Is that where I put my last point? 1, -5. Okay, so there's more than one way to do this. You can do it very simply just by graphing and then translating it, or you can actually deal with the points and get new points like I did here. Composition of transformations is a combination of two or more transformations. And here I have one more example for you. The translation image of triangle LMN is triangle L''M'' with those 3 points. Okay, so I have the original triangle here, and I'm asking what the rule is. Well, to be able to figure out what the rule is, I either need to write the points down and figure it out that way, or I need to graph the new one, which is what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to graph this new one. So 1, -2 would be here. 3, -4 would be here, and 6, -2 would be right here. And so here is my new image after the transformation, which I'm assuming is a translation. I should be able to tell it is a translation just because it's exact same shape, exact same size, and it didn't rotate or anything, it just moved. Okay, so how did this point right here get to be this point? It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right, and 1 down. Is that what happened here? It should have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 down. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 down. So then my rule, I would write it like this. T And then the x you put first, the x went 7, and then the y went down 1, and so this is how you write it. Transformation of 7 to the right, 1 down. So bring that knowledge with you, and we'll talk about it more the next time I see you. Have a good night.